welcome to my channel MiniWiseKids. Let's go outside and do some science. Look at all these colorful leaves. Do you know why leaves change color in the fall? Well, let's find out. This is an oak tree, and this is what its leaves look like in the summer. But look at them now. They're a totally different color. So why does this happen? Well, if you look really closely at a leaf, you can see that it's made up of tiny little cells. And inside those cells, there are things called chloroplasts. And the reason why leaves are green in the summer is because these chloroplasts contain a green chemical called chlorophyll. And chlorophyll helps the tree to make food. But as the days get shorter and the nights get cooler, the tree doesn't need as much chlorophyll to make food. So the green color starts to fade. But that's not the only color that leaves have. If you look really closely at a leaf, you can actually see a yellow color in there too. And that's because leaves also contain other chemicals called carotenoids, which are yellow or orange. And leaves also contain a third type of chemical called anthocyanins, which are red or purple. But these fade too in the fall. So when all three of these colors are present in a leaf, we see it as being green. But as the days get shorter and the nights get cooler, the green fades and we can see the yellow and orange colors that are already there. And sometimes the red and purple colors come out too. And so that's why leaves change color in the fall. It's our sun and our cool nights that help bring out these colors. And if we have lots of sunny days followed by cool nights, the colors will be really bright. But if we have frost or dull weather, then the colors won't be as bright. Now here's a challenge. Look at the leaf on this tree. Can you tell which side of the tree this leaf is on? Is it facing the sun or is it in the shade? Let's take a closer look. Oh, this leaf is in the shade. So this must be the shady side of the tree. Now look at this leaf on the same tree. Which side of the tree do you think this leaf is on? Is it facing the sun or is it in the shade? Check it out. This leaf is soaking up the sun. So next time you're outside in the fall, look at the leaves closely and see if you can spot some science. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.